Okay, fellow scrappers, today I got this Air Pop popcorn popper. My mother gave me this one. She just doesn't use it. I already have one, and they're not worth much to sell. I think she said she got it at a tag sale for $5. I'm not going to tag sale it. It's got a crack in the plastic here, and mine has a butter tub. This one doesn't have a butter melter on it. I'm going to scrap it. Never scrapped one of these before. Got some plastic to recycle, and I already took the screws out. Let's see what's in this. Oh, that's neat. More plastic. More plastic. A little tiny little electric motor. And I'm going to cut these wires, get these wires out of the way. This is a pretty thick cord here. I'll probably be stripping this cord. Get the cord out. I'm going to cut these wires close to the motor. Look at that, there's a heating element, a bunch of aluminum, a piece of plastic. There isn't much in one of these. Alright, the centerpiece here, it's hard to bend, so I think it's stainless. Magnet sticks to the outer part, it doesn't stick to the middle part. I'm going to try getting this out. Look at that. Actually, it bent pretty easy. It might be aluminum. Now it's going to give me a hard time. Yeah, that's aluminum. So I got a nice piece of aluminum, nice piece of tin. This heating element. This stuff is usually 400 grade stainless. So I'll be throwing this in my 400 grade stainless bucket. And this stuff, it's like very, very low grade circuit board. It's like fiber board almost. I'm just going to throw that in the trash, but there's a little piece of brass I'll be trying to clip off. And a little piece of metal here. What's in this? Tiny little copper bearing motor. Not really worth taking apart. Plastics out. Alright, that wasn't that bad. Some more plastic, more plastic. Got some 400 grade stainless. Couple pieces of wire. Copper bearing motor. Some tin, and a nice little piece of aluminum. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.